Now, what are the financial statements that we have? Okay, well, in corporate accounting, we had to memorize what the financial statements are that we use. Cash flows, we've got balance sheet, we've got income statement. Here, it's sort of similar. We have statement of cash flows, we have statement of financial position, we have statement of activities, which is more similar to the income statement, statement of functional expenses. So these are the 5 financial statements as well as the notes of the financial statements. This is the package, right? The big financial statement package that you've got for all of these. Awesome, awesome there. The statement of financial position is going to talk about the nature of the assets, liabilities, and net assets. Statement of activities, these are the effects of events and circumstances that change the amount and nature of the net assets, so that affect this, similar to the relationship between the income statement and balance sheet. It also talks about the inflows and outflows of economic resources occurring within a period. It also, the statement of cash flows, this is how cash is obtained and spent. And this is going to elaborate more on service efforts and just anything that needs to be disclosed and how they're doing. All right. So non-for-profit accounting is more similar to corporate accounting than it is to governmental accounting. I definitely agree with that statement. And why do I agree with it? Because I wrote it. So it's definitely more similar. It's accrual basis. It's pretty similar, just with those slight differences of no equity, and everything's about classification. Like, how do we classify it? Is it with restrictions, without? We have program and functional expenses. And really for this, it's going to be a lot more practicing questions. That's why this lecture is not going to be too long. Digging into the nitty gritty, getting in the questions, reading the explanations, those will be for sure super helpful in you answering these questions. Non-for-profit entities' financial statements do not present funds like governmental accounting. And if this doesn't make sense to you yet, no worries. You will see this in governmental. The focus of the financial statements is properly presenting the basic information of the organization in the aggregate. That's our purpose.